What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been about a month and a half since I posted my last video. Unfortunately, just due to work, I just been slammed at work. I haven't had time to really do anything to the Humvee. Basically, what I've been doing is just, whenever I have time, an hour here, an hour there, just try to get as much done as I could. So let me show you guys what I got done so far. All right, guys. So this is the motor so far. As you can see, the motor, the block is now blue. This is actually an epoxy paint. I went ahead and threw on 3 coats, and this stuff is actually very durable. It's very hard. Well, I mean, it's epoxy, so it's better than the enamel paint that you would use. But supposedly it holds up pretty good to heat, so I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But what I got so far, I got the crank in, I got the pistons, rods, I got everything torqued down. I went ahead and cleaned up and painted the backing plate. So I just painted it silver, just so it looks what aluminum should look like when it's clean. So now the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw in the cam, the lifters, the retainers, basically just get everything ready to go ahead and bolt on the cylinder heads. All right, so let's get going. All right, guys. So this is what I got done so far. I got the lifters in there. I got the retainers and the guides in there. I got the cam installed. Got the oil pump in there, oil pickup. Got all the timing marks set up. The only thing left to do is just to go ahead and install the upper and the lower oil pan. Now, when I went and dropped off the motor at the machine shop, I had them hot tank the upper and the lower oil pan, and it came out pretty good. It got rid of all that, all the sludge that was in there, all that nasty crap. So, I mean, it came out pretty good, but it looks like the old oil that was in there. I mean that stuff was really like charred in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit it with the wire wheel, just clean it up real good, and then I'll hit this with a fresh coat of paint. I might hit the lower oil pan with the same epoxy blue that I have right here. And the only reason why is because the lower portion of the oil pan is going to see a lot more abuse, than the upper portion. The upper portion, I'm just going to hit it with the same silver that I hit the backing plate right here. This way, it just looks like, like brand new aluminum. Yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it for. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys, a heads up on what's been going on with the Duramax motor. As you can see, it is coming along, slowly but surely. Fortunately, with my line of work, you just never know, I just never know when I'm gonna have time to work on it. When it's booming, it's really booming. And I'm just really, hella busy. But you know, I mean, it is what it is. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can have time to go ahead and clean and paint the upper and the lower oil pan, and then I can go ahead and get those installed on Saturday. And then hopefully next week I can go ahead and tear apart the cylinder heads, so I can go ahead and get those ported and hopefully installed. Um, and then the only thing left is the big ticket item, which is going to be the injectors and the fuel pump, which I'm not looking forward to that. So that's going to be a pretty penny right now, right there. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to get those, but as long as I can go ahead and get the motor, together, the upper and the lower part, get the valve covers on there, get it sealed up, I'll feel better about it. At least I can go ahead and get it installed on the chassis, and I can go ahead and start putting the Humvee back together. All right, so yeah, you guys. So that's gonna do it for today's video, you guys. Again, if you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the video. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section, and then I'll do my best to go ahead and get to those. All right, you guys. So like always, gearhead guy